A research center claims that at most 75% of US adults think that drivers are safer using hands-free cell phones instead of using handheld cell phones. In a random sample of 150 US adults, 77% think that drivers are safer using hands-free cell phones instead of handheld cell phones. At alpha equal to 0.10, is there enough evidence to reject the research center's claim? So the claim is that p is less than or equal to 0.75, and this would be the null hypothesis. Now n times p and n times q are both greater than or equal to 5, so we're okay. So again, our null hypothesis is the claim. The alternative hypothesis is p is greater than 0.75. So this is a right-tailed test. Alpha is 0.10, p is 0.75. To find x, we have to take the 77% and multiply it by the sample size of 150. So we get 115.5, but this has to be a whole number. So we round this to 116. N is 150, and this is a right-tailed test. So now let's go to the calculator. So I go to Stat and select PropZTest. So P is 0.75, X is 116, N is 150. This is a right-tailed test, and then I press Calculate. So Z is 0.66, and my p-value is 0.2546. So this is what our picture looks like. Now 0.2546 is greater than 0.10, so our p-value is greater than alpha. So we fail to reject the null hypothesis. And our conclusion would be, at the 0.10 level of significance, there is not enough evidence to reject the center's claim that at most 75% of US adults think drivers are safer using hands-free cell phones.